Hi everyone, Captain Mark back. Got some videos coming at you here with some new products. This one is by GREENOTE, the cordless vacuum cleaner with 2300 PA stick power. It's the vacuum 4-in-1, 200 watts. It has digital dual LED headlights, 35 minutes of runtime. Now that's really nice. Lightweight, you can use it for a home, hard floors, carpet, pet care, and also with the short little attachment on there, you can work on your car and keep your car clean with it. This is a great price on Amazon right now. It's $84. They got a 50% off coupon that you can click on and get. So let's get to the open boxing and start doing some vacuuming. I'll show you how it works. All right. First thing we open up, we see our cordless vacuum cleaner user manual, and it's very complete. It's got all the instructions how to get this thing set up, put together, and get yourself vacuuming. Okay, the first item that I grab out of the box is our 2-in-1 crevice tool with the brush. Next, we have the adjustable telescopic tube. This tube extends from 17 3/4 of an inch all the way out to 28 inches. And we have the long suction nozzle, great crevice tool for getting into tight spaces. This package comes with a dual purpose cleaning tool for getting that roller brush cleaned out from all that hair and debris. Okay, now we're starting to get to the big items on there. And this is the LED roller brush. This electric roller brush with its V-shaped bristles for floor rolling helps reduce the entanglement of hair around the brush. And it has its 3 large LED lights to really light up your path in front of you while you're vacuuming. And it comes with a power adapter, 6-foot cord on that to charge up your battery on your vacuum. I'm really impressed that it comes in this package is 2 HEPA filters. All right, and this is the main engine of the vacuum. Very nice. It's lightweight, heavy duty. You can see the construction on here is very nice. And you can hear when I turn on the power switch how quiet it is. It's only 65 decibels. Super quiet for vacuuming. All right, we're going to show you how to disassemble and clean here. Push the top blue button and you can see how you pull apart and separate it. See the contacts here that are made to run the motor in here. But if you push the button on the bottom engine, you can see here that it's your quick dispense tray. All right, to access the HEPA filter, you simply twist the engine and it separates the storage from the motor. And again, twist counterclockwise on the pre-filter you see here. And inside's the HEPA filter. Very easy to change and clean out. It's very simple and fast to connect all the pieces together on this vacuum with these quick attachment buttons on there. You can see I attached the wand to the vacuum and now to the roller base. Quick and easy. The accessories are just as easy to connect with the quick connect buttons. You have your 2-in-1 brush here. You can see how I connected in just in seconds. And you also have your crevice tool will do the same thing. Quickly showing the top of the vacuum, you can see you have your plus minus. That's your 2-speed mode button. You push it to make it go from high to low. Charging your vacuum is very easy. You plug your power adapter into the bottom of the vacuum, you can see here. Just a quick note here, from almost completely drained battery, it took me 3.5 hours to charge it full. And let me get the battery charged up, get it assembled, and we'll start showing you how it performs vacuuming. All right, and now I'm going to show you how this thing performs with vacuuming. It'll pick up anything on your floor, all different types of floors. As you can see here, it's just getting it very nice and clean. It's a breeze vacuuming with the cordless vacuum from GREENOTE. This little guy's got a lot of power. Lightweight, powerful, easy maneuver. I love the 3 LED lights on it. It really lights up the carpet to see what you're picking up. All right, I'm going to speed it up here so you don't have to watch me clean the entire living room floor. But you can see how it picks up everything, all the dirt and trash that's on the floor. It's amazing this thing has so much suction power. All right, now for the test. Let's see how much dirt and debris it collected. Let's open it up. Wow, look at all that dirt and dust. It really got down into the carpet. The carpet wasn't super dirty, but look at that. That's amazing. I'm so impressed. All right, we're moving on to the bathroom with the tile floor. I want to see how it performs there. On the hard surfaces, I threw down some shower powder, which is really fine dust, and we'll see how it performs picking up this. Well, you can see it's picking up all that powder on the floor with no problem at all, sucking it all up, getting it off my floor, cleaning all the way down into the grooves and cracks of my hard tile. I like that. Wow. And we're going to finish up the bathroom here and get behind the door. That powder and dirt out of there. All right, let's see how much dirt we've collected. This cordless vacuum cleaner is incredible. Look at all the powder it picked up. That's all of it I put down on the floor. Amazing. Wow, you can't beat this little vacuum. It's small and powerful and very lightweight. All right, let's try working on the car now. I want to show everybody with the attachments that you can actually use this for your automobile, boat, any kind of recreational vehicle. It does a fantastic job in cleaning the carpet in my truck. It's amazing. GREENOTE's got a winner here. This little vacuum is so small, compact, and lightweight, and you put the long crevice tool on there. All right, we're going to wrap this up by cleaning up in the front of the driver's side. With this long crevice tool, you can see I can get down into all the nooks and crannies and get the dirt and debris out of the carpet wherever I need it. This little vacuum is perfect for working on an automobile. Okay, that's my review on the GREENOTE cordless vacuum cleaner. Remember, this got 2300 PA stick power. A lot of vacuum in this thing, 200 water. So it took me about 2 hours. I think it was like 2 hours and 20 minutes to actually recharge the battery up after I got done doing my living room and bathroom. So just remember, it takes a couple hours to charge it up when it's almost completely dead. But you do got about 35 minutes of runtime on that. So it's nice, lightweight. Great little vacuum, so I recommend this for everybody if you want a quick vacuum to get your floors cleaned up. It's not going to be a heavy-duty vacuum like do the entire house in one pass. You're going to have to charge it up if you want to do that. So I hope this review was helpful in determining whether you want to purchase this. I'll have other videos coming up, so stay tuned. So this is Captain Mark saying to you, thanks for watching.